In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Atome credit card. Now, the Atome credit card is not a traditional credit card, but a buy now, pay later card. And it is a prepaid issued in collaboration with MasterCard. But anyways, guys, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to any web browser and then just look up Atome card. Then it is going to take you to the official Atome card website just like so. Now, we need to go ahead and actually apply on the app. So go ahead and just scan this QR code on your mobile device, and then it will actually open up a application on the Google Play Store or the App Store, depending on whether you're on iOS or an Android. And basically from there, you are able to go ahead and begin the process. All right, now before you even start doing this, please make sure you meet the eligibility requirements. That includes being at least 18 years old, you must reside in the Philippines, and you must have a valid Philippine government issued ID like a driver's license, passport, or a UMID. And the best part about this card is that there's no minimum income required, unlike traditional credit cards. Alright guys, so once you're in the application, you want to open up the Atome app, and then you want to press on Atome credit card on the home page. Then you want to choose your preferred card, whether that be virtual or a physical card. It really is up to you. Then you got to fill in your personal details, including your full name, your mother's maiden name, company if applicable, home, and shipping address. Now, more importantly, you need to submit a photo of your valid PHID and complete Face ID verification using your smartphone selfie camera. Then all you need to do is you need to wait for the approval process, which will take approximately 1 to 3 business days. Make sure to go ahead and consistently check your email to see the results. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.